Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Carson Bickroy.
In some parts of the Treasure State, the flakes are already flying. Here we go. Let's look at this map here, and you can see all sorts of winter weather highlights are out across the Treasure State at the current moment. You can see winter storm warnings up near Glacier National Park, and also for some areas east of the Divide here in southwest Montana. So let's look at this real quick. 8 to 12 inches of snow is possible for the higher terrain above 6,000 feet. For the valleys near the mining city, we could see 3 to 6 inches of valley accumulating snowfall. And then all these areas here shaded in the purple, that is a winter weather advisory, and this does include the cities of Dillon, Ennis, and Bozeman. But above 6,000 feet, that's going to be where your main event is. 4 to 12 inches of snow are possible there in the mountains, and 1 to 3 for all other areas. And this is a deep Pacific storm system that is swirling right over Vancouver right now. And because it's on the coast, it is tapping into some of this Pacific moisture and sending it right here into western Montana. So again, for northwestern Montana, we are going to see lots of snow. It's going to be a historic snowstorm. But for us here in southwest Montana, we will see a little bit of snow, but nothing like what we're going to see up near Glacier National Park. You can see a few showers well off to the north and even some snow showers up there in the Little Belts. But as we go through time, this rain will start to fill in. But if you have plans tomorrow morning, go ahead and keep them. You might want to grab a jacket because, as you can see, these blues here, it will be cold enough to support snow, perhaps even a little bit of a rain-snow mix in the mining city. That's 8 o'clock. By noon, most of southwest Montana is still dry at this point. We could see a little bit of activity down by Yellowstone National Park, and then the floodgates will open and we are going to start to see that rain-snow mix make its way into the area. And this is 8 o'clock tomorrow night. But let's go into Sunday morning because we'll have another push of moisture. And at this point, everybody from the mining city over to Bozeman will be seeing some accumulating snowfall. And this will continue throughout most of your Sunday. Now, how much snow are we talking about? Again, the better chances of seeing snow over our viewing area will be west of the Divide, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches over by Butte to Dillon, and then also perhaps a few locally higher amounts around Anaconda and Boulder east of the Divide. I think that snowfall total is a little high for Bozeman, but I do expect 1 to 3 inches of snowfall, which is enough that we could see some icing impacts on those roadways. So about a moderate risk for some snow and ice this weekend, so please be careful, especially if you are traveling on those pass roads across Homestake, Bozeman Pass as well. We are going to have to watch those very carefully. It's 52 in Bozeman. We are in the 50s and 60s out across the rest of southwest Montana. Falling into the 30s tonight. West of the Divide, it should stay all in the form of rain, but as we head into tomorrow afternoon, that's when we could start to see that brief transition from rain over to snow. For the rest of the area, we will be in the 20s and 30s for lows. Again, can't rule out that chance for a few spotty showers. It becomes more widespread tomorrow evening. And then whenever we see that transition from rain over to snow for Bozeman, that's really going to dictate how much snow we're going to get. And that snow will continue into Monday, and then we're starting to dry out on Tuesday. Now, right now, with the timing, Butte could see that changeover as early as Saturday evening. Very good chance of snow on Sunday with similar chances on Monday as well. We will see that transition in Dillon on Sunday, and then lingering snow as possible Monday and Tuesday with highs only in the 30s. And we could see a little bit of a rain-snow mix tonight in West Yellowstone, and then it's all downhill from there.
All right, Nick Petriccioni's in with our sports report right now, including new information on the new and improved